Good morning, students. Now we will solve the question on income and expenditure account, which I have already provided to you yesterday through the WhatsApp in the PDF format. Now see the solution of this question. Income and expenditure account of Jaipur Sports Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. First of all, we will prepare the format. So expenditure at the debit side, left hand side, then income, and then amount column, credit side. In income and expenditure account, only the figure related to current year will be recorded. Either it is income or it is an expenses. So first take the expenditure side. So rent, including rupees 15 for 2018-2019, and we are preparing the account for the year ending 31st March 2020. So here 15,000 included in the rent of rupees 16,000. So the rent for the current year will be 60,000 minus previous year rent, that is the 15,000, so 45,000. Then insurance premium, it is given 60,000, again including 15,000 for 2021. Coming year in premium is given also, so it will also be deducted to calculate the premium for the current year. So 60,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 45,000. Then sports equipment will not be recorded here because it is a capital expenditure. Furniture, the same, it will also not be recorded in the income and expenditure account. By 8% fixed deposit made on 1st October 2019, it also will not be recorded because it's an investment and capital expenditure. By tournament expenses will also not be recorded because for that we have prepared separate fund, that is a donation for tournament in the question. So it will not be recorded here. The treatment will be done in the balance sheet at liability side. Then books, capital expenditure, newspaper will be recorded. Printing and stationery will be recorded because of the revenue nature of transaction. Then see at the receipt side, to sale of old sports material whose book value is given 1200 and sold for 500. So there is a loss of rupees 700. So loss will be if fixed assets has been sold or any capital item has been sold. If there is a profit or loss, then it will be recorded. Loss at the expenditure side, profit at the income side. Then entrance fee. Entrance fees, then come to the income side. Entrance fee is given for the 2018-19, 19-20. So our year is a concern, here is a 2019-20. So only the 50,000 amount will be recorded as a entrance fee at the income side. Then subscription is given for the previous year, current year and the coming year. Our year is the 2019-20, and in that only the 90% value of the subscription receipt has been given. First we have to find out the 100% value of the 90,000. So it will become 1 lakh. If how it will be solved? If 90% value is rupees 90,000, then 100% value will be 1 lakh, and we have received 90,000. So 10,000 subscription will be outstanding and will be added to the income side in the 90,000. So it will be 1 lakh. Then donation, life membership fee, it is a capitalized receipt, so it will not be recorded. It will be recorded in the balance sheet at liability side. Donation will be recorded as a income. Donation for tournament, no, it will not be recorded because it is a specific transaction and it will be recorded as the balance sheet at liability side. To subscription for governor party, again that is a subscription for a specific purpose, that is to conduct a governor party. Again it will not be recorded here, it will be recorded in the balance sheet. So interest on 8% fixed deposit, 2,400 is given. Here is some implied adjustment. Just see the at the payment side, 8% fixed deposit has been made on 1st October 2019 for 1,20,000, and year is going to be end on 31st So from 1st October 2019 to 2020, there is a period of 6 months. So we will calculate that 1,20,000 at the given rate, that the 8% for the 6 months, it comes to 4,800. Okay, and it is only given 2,400. So it means interest earned but not received again is equal to 2,400. So interest will be added, interest on 8% fixed deposit 2,400 plus accrued interest or outstanding interest will be added to the income side as income and expenditure account. So total amount will be 4,800. Then sale of old newspaper, it will be recorded. Then locker rent, including 600 for 18-19. So it will be deducted because it is related to the previous year. So net figure of the locker rent will be 6,200. Then we will make the total of the income side. The income side total comes 2,81,300, and the total of expenditure side comes 1,10,700. So the difference between income and expenditure is rupees 1,70,600. That is known as the excess of income over expenditure. It's just like a net profit, which you know very well when we prepare the profit and loss account. Because we are preparing the income and expenditure account, so here it will not be recorded net profit. It will be recorded as a true excess of income over expenditure by rupees 1,70,600. That's all about the solution of this question.